Hey everybody, George Chamberlain here, watching your dollars on this Wednesday morning. I love it when there's a Monday holiday because all of a sudden it's Wednesday when you come back to work. Hope things are going well for you. Let's see, today would be the 6th of July, and we're just kind of in a holding pattern here, waiting for a couple of key reports on the employment situation, the job market to come out. Yesterday we came back to work, and remember, last week was one of the best weeks we've had in the stock market for many, many, many years, with the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500 all posting gains of 5.5%, 6% for that week. A really strong week. Yesterday we started off this week with very little movement. The Dow and the S&P 500 were down very small amounts. The NASDAQ up very small amounts. And this morning we're just pretty much marching in place, not going anywhere very fast. And again, we're expecting, as I say, some key reports to come out. We did get one report this morning, and it was a report on layoff announcements. Now again, these are not actual layoff notices being given to workers. These are just companies saying we're planning to cut payrolls sometime in the future. During this past month of June, we did see an increase in that number, a rather significant increase by almost 12%. Layoff planned announcements came in at 41,432 in June. However, if you take a look at the first 6 months of this year, we're down about 12% from where we were a year ago at this time. So it just shows that there's no real pattern. We're not seeing a lot of recovery in the job market, but things are not getting a lot worse in the job market. It's kind of a mess. Tomorrow we'll get two reports out on jobs. One is a private survey from ADP, and it just measures what's going on in the civilian job market, doesn't factor in any activity as far as governments are concerned. And then tomorrow we'll get the weekly report on unemployment claims, and that number has been holding strong above 400,000 a week, which is way too high, so that's been another concern. And then Friday we get the official government report on the June situation. Gold has gotten a little bit of glitter back. Yesterday it was up $30 an ounce, and this morning it's up another $15, $16. So a lot of money flowing that way as people are concerned about what's going on in Europe still, what's going on with our economy here, and some other things as well. I think I told you about this before. Wendy's Arby's company. They couldn't come up with a better name for their company. That's what it was, the Wendy's/Arby's company. They sold off Arby's, and so officially yesterday it became just the Wendy's company. Arby's was bought by a group of private investors who evidently like roast beef sandwiches. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good one.